Yo, what's up guys? It's the MNC community, and guys, today I'm gonna show you a trick which looks really awesome, fun to perform, and requires a setup, okay? So let's get onto the trick. So guys, first I'm gonna ask my spectator to choose a card. So my spectator can choose a card, for example this one. So my spectator can have a look at this card, okay? After my spectator has taken a look at this card, I was gonna ask my spectator to take this card and place it at the top and cut the deck in half and then complete the cut. Okay, so I ask my spectator to cut as many times as I want and now hand over the deck to me. So my spectator cuts as much times as he likes. So then you can cut even at the back. I can also cut the deck as much times as he wants. So okay, right here. So I have stopped here. You can have a look. We have stopped at the 9 of spades. I have no idea why they had stopped here, but you have to have a look at this 9. So the 9th card from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the 9th card will be the spectator selection. So I hope guys you enjoyed this trick a lot. Stick around for the tutorial. So I hope guys you enjoyed the performance of this trick. So here's the tutorial. So guys, you have to do a little setup. So what you have to do, you have to take out 13 cards from the pack of any suit. So in this case I am using the spades. And you have to arrange them in this order: ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and till king. Now the rest of the deck does not require any setup. You can shuffle the deck as many times as you want. So you have to do this setup before approaching a spectator. Now you have to take these 13 cards and place it at the bottom of the deck. So you can have a look. Ace from the starting until the king. Now you can do some false cuts just like this by maintaining the cards at the bottom. Now you have to ask the spectator to pick a card. So you have to not spread too much, by which the spectator cannot pick these cards. You have to spread little like this, by which the spectator can pick cards from here. So the spectator picks out this card, for instance, it's the 2 of hearts. So now what you have to do, you have to ask the spectator is place this card at the top and give the deck a cut. Okay. Now the spectator can cut as many times as he likes from the top. Now the main parts come here. After the spectator is satisfied cutting the deck, now you have to ask the spectator. And one thing to remember, the spectator does not cut like this. He is cutting in half of the deck and then he is cutting half of the deck. That should not the case. So you have to keep in mind that the spectator doesn't cut like this, half. The spectator should cut like this. So now the main part comes here. You have to flip over the deck like this and you have to search for the one of the 13 cards. So for any spades. So the spectator is cutting and sometimes you become lucky 8 of spades. You have to search for any spades. Now you don't have to ask the spectator to say stop. You have to just say now I can cut. But you don't have to cut. You have to say that I doesn't want to cut. I just stop here. So now you have to show the spectator that you have stopped at the 8 of spades. Now we don't have to look at the face of this card. We have to just have the value of this card. So the value is 8. So from the top, the 8th card, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th card will be the spectator selection. So guys, this was the trick. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, like the video, also subscribe the channel. Goodbye for today.